The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Lava Yuva 2, with a unique notification light surrounding the camera island. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Yuva 2 5G features a tall 6.67-inch HD plus IPS display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 700 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Uni SoC T760 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP4 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 512 GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Lava Yuva 2 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes dual stereo speakers for better sound experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165 by 75.8 by 8.65 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Yuva 2 5G has been priced in India at 9,499 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in marble black and marble white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Yuva 2 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.